You need $1,000 for you to start making money online? No. You need $200 for you to start making money online? No. You need to invest in more or you need to invest in less? How much do you exactly need for you to start making money online? How much do you need to invest in for you to start making money online? When we are talking about making online, we are specifically talking about workable things, the methods that you and me are using on a daily basis. Don't forget, Immaculate Show, we bring for you authentic, we bring for you the ways of making money online while without investing anything. So in today's video, it is a friendly and interactive video. We are going to be looking simply just for a short video. We are going to be looking at how do you start? Because most people, I've had them recently, individuals say, I'm waiting to get a nice camera. Others say, I'm waiting for me to buy an iPhone. Individuals say, I don't have microphone. There are a lot of things are attached for them to make money online. And when we're talking about making money online, yeah, there are different ways of making money online. But basically, I'm talking to you who is a beginner. You have your smartphone, you are always on social media platform, you have access to internet. You are the right person I'm talking to right now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and please, whenever you are, wherever you're watching from, I'm really appreciative for you to allow me be in your space. For me, to be on your screen, I don't take it for granted. Thank you very much. Now, without going very far, allow me appreciate the top engagers. We have top engagers. We have people who have been with us from 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 day on all social media platforms. These are the people that can never skip our post. Thank you very much. In today's video, you guys, as you've heard, is going to be simple and precise, and for sure you need this video. I did this video for you some 2 days back, but unfortunately there was no sound. And we always believe everything works out together for good for those that fear and love God. And I'm one of them. So, and I guess and I pray that you're one of them. So everything will work out together. Now, I decided to do a summary of that video because most people, they don't know when do they start, how much do they need for them to start. Totally, you guys, you don't need money to start making money online. You don't need to invest in anything. It's not a quick rich get scheme. No, those are scams. And this, what we talk about as Immaculate Show, we don't deal with the scams. We don't ask you money. So I want you to get your pen and note down this, or you can jot them even on your tablet, on your phone, because you really need to start immediately as soon as you listen to this video. So, disclaimer. Don't misquote me. You guys, this is a real big disclaimer. This video are for educational purposes. I'm not saying that the moment you start, immediately you get what we're going to teach you, or what we teach you, you're going to be to drive one of the best cars, or you're going to be the best, sleep in best mansions, you're going to get a car of your dream. No. We are giving you tips, just from 2 to 10% of the tips. The rest, go and research for yourself. Now, you don't need money. What you need is this, the list of things I'm going to give you today, briefly. And I'm giving them to you because I started from zero. So you don't need to break your bank. You don't need to go and get your saving box and break it, or go to borrow around. No. What you need is this. One, you need your smartphone. That smartphone that you're watching TikTok lives, that we're doing those things, that you are even commenting with on people's posts, that's what you need. You don't need anything. You need your smartphone, irrespective of whichever. Is it iPhone? Is it any smartphone? Provided it can get a good camera, capture video, take photos, it is able to get internet or data, you need that one. That is one. Then the second thing, you need Wi-Fi, because you cannot do anything without Wi-Fi. After doing everything, taking photos, taking pictures, making videos, you need to upload them on any platform. And that platform is going to be our third point. You need a platform. Which platform do you want? Or which platform do you need? At least you need to be having a platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms like apps. There are apps that sell photos that can buy your photos. There are apps that can make you do freelancing. There are apps that can make you do affiliate marketing. So you need a platform. That is point number 3. I told you this video is precise and short. So that is 3. The fourth one, indeed, you need an idea. When we are talking of an idea, what are you going to give? What will you be selling? What will you be providing? That is a business. Like me, my idea is like, you people, you should get out of poverty. Be with your smartphone. With my smartphone, I need to be out of poverty. So you need an idea. And this idea should be friendly, should be less competitive. If you want to make money, me on the point of money. If it is not for fun, it is not for views. You need to get that idea that is less competitive. And if you go to our banks, our playlist, you get the best, or the 10 less competitive, the ones that can give you money so easily. Recently, I saw someone, I think today, someone went on one of the videos where I was talking that why I earn money. I'm talking about to CPM, RPM on Facebook and other things, and say, this is rubbish, because they don't know it. You don't need to struggle, go to heaven and come to earth for you to make money on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok. You need only to be strategic, to know what is working and what is not working. If you're less competitive, you need to know the best practices. So when you get your idea, you build on it. This is what you need. Okay, another person will say that I cannot do without a mic. If you don't have money, don't run for mic. There is no need for mic. Use a place which is less, without noise. Just start from wherever you are. If you see my videos that I started with, they cannot give you appetite right now to look at. But I started from there. Then I continued. So, but if you can, to get a mic, it's okay, you can get a mic. What else do you need? You need a ring light. A ring light is needed to people who already have money. But if you don't have money, you can use your natural light. You can use daylight. Whenever you are in position to make a video when it is during the day. If you can't do it from outside, do it from inside, but on the window. And if it is outside, you can decide, if there is noise, you can decide to do the video without voice. Then you come and put a voiceover. So you don't need to break a bank. Then last but not least, you need to be consistent, because most people have all this, but they are not consistent. Now I'll be bringing for you a video that now terms and conditions for YouTube have changed. They will force you to be consistent. So you don't need to break a bank. You don't need to go and borrow. You don't need to wait because the right time is today. It's not tomorrow. I want to see you start. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.